Take a ride in the 2019 ES. Lexus has sold the ES family of vehicles since 1989 as its mid-sized luxury sedan line. The ES series has become the best-selling sedan for Lexus and known for its emphasis on interior amenities and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, engine immobilizer, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, remote trunk release, FWD. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.